Hello guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well and have fun. Today we will play one of the most beautiful videos you will ever get on this channel. It will allow you how to win at least $5,000. Yes, it is $5,000. So let's start and pay attention to the odds and the bets and play it carefully as I told you before, and try to separate your amount and divide it on three. Each one, two, or three matches on a ticket. Don't play them all in one ticket, okay? So let's start the business. The first match is Mallorca versus Real Sociedad. As we all know, the previous match of Sociedad, they lost again. Real Madrid. But if you pay attention to one of the most important events is that Real Madrid had a lot of luck. They were almost scoring 3 goals. So Real Sociedad have a good attack line. So Mallorca is a fragile comparing to Mallorca. So this match is gonna be like this. Real Sociedad will score at least 1 goal. Okay? It's a trick here. It's 2.25. It's a big odd. The other match is like this. We will go to the UEFA Champions League. Where is it? They didn't put it here yet, but we will go and have it from here. Okay? Sorry for the noise because I am near to a highway or a road, so you hear the big bikes. So we will go and choose this from this. UEFA Champions League. It's almost 27 matches. So the first match is Juventus versus PSV Eindhoven. Take care of this bet. Eindhoven will score over 0.5 goals. They will score at least 1 goal. The third match is Young Boys versus Aston Villa. Either Aston Villa will win or they will draw. Okay? The other match is Bayern München versus Dinamo Zagreb. The first half of this match is gonna be total over 1 goal. If they score just 1, you will be refunded as usual. Inter Milan or EC Milan versus Liverpool. EC Milan will score at least 1 goal. Okay? Now, the big match is Real Madrid versus Stuttgart. First half, Real Madrid will score at least 1 goal. Okay? The other match is Sporting Club de Portugal versus Lille. Sporting will win the match. We still have 2 matches. Is Bologna versus Shakhtar Donetsk. This match is gonna be like this. Either Bologna will win or they will draw. And the last match is like this. Where is it? Where is it? Is sorry, didn't find it. Is it Club Brugge? Yes, it's here. Club Brugge is the host team. They will score at least 1 goal. Okay? Keep that in mind. We have 9 matches and 58.22 222 odds. If you play it win $150, you will get 8,734. If you play it win only $35, you will get $2,000. But if you play it with $100, you will get as usual $5,000. So please play it with $100 and you will get $8,734.46. Okay? Take care of yourselves and see you later. Thank you.